You're welcome back to the channel. In this review, I'm going to create a very straight and honest review about this powerful AI website called Wave. So Wave is one of the best small business accounting software in 2025. So we're going to dive deep into whether the Wave is the answer you've been searching for the accounting stuff on your business. So to get started, what is Wave? Wave is a tool to help business owner manage their money. It's like having a digital notebook and calculator in one place. You can keep track of the money coming in and coming out. Think of it as a way to see how your business is doing financially without needing a fancy degree. So it helps you with a thing like sending bills to customers and keeping your income and expenses organized. This make it easier to understand your business money and take a smart choice. Now, talking about the key important features about this platform called Wave. Wave has some great tools to simplify managing your business money. These features help keeping you organized and giving you a clearer picture of your analysis. One of these is account reconciliation with a chart of accounting, then the invoice with a product service. Then talking about the pricing list, we have different range of pricing lists, which is a pricing plan. We have the smarter plan, we have the pro plan. Then if you want more information about the key features that is allocated to each of these plans, you can simply refer to the website to get more information to decide on which type of plan you're gonna enroll for. So talking about the cons and pro, it is good to understand the bad side and the good side of Wave to fit if your business needs. So talking about the advantages, we have the core features are available for free. All the core features are available for free. The software is generally easy to use. It offers a cloud-based access anytime. Invoicing features are well integrated, connected to bank accounts, and it saves time. Talking about the bad side, which is the downside of this website, is free plan are limited automation. Customer support is limited on free plan, and also payroll is on additional costs and advanced features required paid plan. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful website. Thanks.